Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stripe dashboard for building a LinkedIn side hustle detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into the Stripe dashboard, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.stripe.com and hit enter. Once the Stripe homepage loads, look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button to proceed to the login screen. You will now see fields for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Stripe account in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Your Password link to initiate a password reset. After entering your email and password, click the Sign In button to continue. If two-factor authentication is enabled, check your mobile device for the verification code. Enter the verification code into the provided field on the login screen. Click the Verify button to access your account. You will now be directed to the Stripe dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your transactions, customers, and account settings. Explore the menu on the left to navigate different sections such as payments, products, and customers. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the available tools and features. If you're setting up for a LinkedIn side hustle, be sure to check the Developers section for integration options. Use the resources available in the dashboard to optimize your business processes. With successful access to the Stripe dashboard, you are now ready to manage your LinkedIn side hustle effectively. Refer back to this guide whenever you need assistance logging in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.